guys, what's up? It's me again, your G Sensei, and we will continue our discussions with Excel functions, and that would be date and time functions. So first, we are going to discuss the date functions that includes the year, month, day, the date function, of course, and the current date and time. Of course, so we have here year, month, and day. To get the year of a date, use the year function, and of course, to get the month of a date, use the month function, and of course, the day to get the day of the date. Okay, so first we have here an example. We will type, okay, so we will use a certain date. Okay, we will type a date. So in my computer, the format is that's 5/04/2021. The that's April 5, 2021. So we're going to use that format. But again, you can change the format of your date by clicking that certain cell and then format cells, and then of course the format which you want. Okay, selecting the format that you want. Okay, for example, we will be typing, that would be 25/12/2021. That's December 25 again. So we will extract the year, use the year function, and of course the syntax is year, then serial number. The serial number is the cell which you type the date. So that's 2021, of course. So equals, you want to extract the month, so that would be month, then the syntax would be again serial number, and then of course close parentheses, and then enter. It should give you the answer 12. That's December. And of course, for the day function, return the day of the month a number. Okay, from 1 to 31. Okay, the serial number again is 81. So that's day equals 81. It will give us 25, of course. So that's how you extract a day, a month, a year, and a date, day in a certain date. Okay, sorry guys sa background guys, na sa musilingan na nagkuhan. Okay, so next is the we have the date function. So to add a number of days to a date, use the following simple formula. Okay, for example, this day, for example, you need to add day on that certain date. For example, we all know that this is December 25, 2021. And then, for example, yun lang ka unsa kay date 10 days after Christmas. So you can just add A1, which is the date, and then plus 10. That will give you, okay, so that's January 4, 2022. So that's 10 days after Christmas. So that's January 4, 2020. Okay? So you can use date actually, guys. And of course, you can also use this one. The one that I gave you is a simple formula. And about the complicated formula, you can also use that one. You can use the date function. Okay, so let's go back. So we have to type date, and then for the date na syntax, we have the year, month, and day. So going back to the year, first we need to use the year, the month, and the day, and then how many days or months that you want to add per year. Okay, for example, let's go back here, and for example, of course, year, and then the serial number, and we want to add, for example, you want to ask 10 years from now, from this date, even this date, and then exact that you want to give an exact, like for example 10 years and 5 months, for example. Okay, month plus 5, and of course the day plus 20 days. So ano kaya exact na date na ibibigay niya? Plus 10 yung years, tapos yung month is plus 5, tapos yung day is 20. So, if manu-manuhin natin pag-compute, that would be, yung year is plus 10, so that would be 2031, right? Let's check mamaya. Then, yung month is plus 5. Yung month is 12. So, that's December. Plus 5, that would be January, February, March, April, May. So, that's May. Tapos, of course, kasi nag-loop yun, so nagdagdag yung sa year. So, naging 2032 na yon. Plus 20 yung days. 25, i-consider pa natin kung how many days yung December. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, the date is 14. And then, nag-add na yung sa days. So, naging, let me see, manu-manuhin ko That's January, February, March, April, May, June. June 14, 2032. Let's try, Yun! Correct! Okay. So, yun yung pag-add ng date manu-mano. But of course, we have a formula, so you can just use the formula. Okay, next is the current date and time. So, to get the current date and time, use the now function. Okay? We have the now function to get the current date and time. So, just type now and then enter. Oops. Yun. Okay. to get the current date and time, again, use the now function. And we also have this function today. It will give you the current date. Okay, kulang yung type ko. Today, and then no. Okay, it will just give you the current date. Okay? We have the now function and the today function. And we also have the hour, minute, and second. So, to return the hour, use the hour function. To return the minute, use the minute function. And to return the second, of course, type the second function name. Okay? So, we have here, balik tayo sa Excel. In this given now kasi ito, so dependent siya sa time natin. Okay? We're going to get the hour of this one. Okay. Okay, it will give us the 11 because it's 11. It's already 11:52. So it will give you the hour. Dito naman pag ginamit natin yung minute and then yan, of course, it will give us 52. Right? But later, if mapapansin nyo mag-change to, kasi nag-change yung sa time natin dito. Kasi dependent tayo sa time now, because we're using this function now. So, it will change this one. And if you're wondering, yung seconds natin, hindi naka-display, but if, for example, we're going to get the seconds, okay, that's 59. So, after that one, if i-refresh natin, mag-change na to into 53. This, yun, change na siya. Okay? So, kasi dependent siya dito sa time natin. Okay, another one is we have the time function. Same as through yung yung ginawa natin kanina sa date, we can also add hours, minutes, at saka yung seconds.